All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. This is my Tesla Model Y. This is in the Midnight Silver Metallic, and I just installed this really cool spoiler. This is a matte carbon fiber spoiler from EVBase. They've partnered with the channel for this video. This is a really cool looking spoiler that goes on the deck lid here. Fits really nice. We have it for the Model Y, and then we also have it for the Model 3. So it has it for all the different trims of. See, the Model 3 has the matte carbon fiber spoiler on the edge here, but it's got a great look to it. So I want to show you guys how easy it is to install this. Very simple, very straightforward, and it provides a great look. Here's a look out in the sun of this carbon fiber weave. This really looks great. It's held on by this 3M adhesive tape that's on the inside, so it does rest nicely, perfectly molded to the back trunk lid of the car. So we want to get the trunk lid ready by cleaning it, making sure that it's ready to go, and we'll start getting it centered. So let's take a look at everything you get in the installation kit that's included along with the spoiler. So you do get some extra tape, painter's tape. That's going to help mark up places on the trunk lid to help get it centered. You also have some adhesion promotion pads in these little packets. That would mainly be if it's going onto plastic surfaces. I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol to prep the surface, and then you also get some extra 3M adhesive double-sided tape, as well as a sticker guide to help get the spoiler in the correct place, making sure that it's centered. So as you can see, once the spoiler is in place, this sticker will fit right under this edge, and we'll be able to know exactly where to reposition the spoiler once we get the adhesive off and be able to place it centered onto the trunk lid. Now once we have the surface prepped, we're ready to get this installed, we can set it on there and then measure each side. So I'm measuring the edge of the spoiler to the trunk lid panel gap on each side, making sure that it's the same amount. You can slowly move it around to make sure that it lines up perfectly. Once each side has an equal measurement, we can then know that it's in the center of the deck lid. It was helpful to have an extra set of hands to help hold it into place. Now that it's in the correct position, I can then get the sticker out. I can slip it right underneath the spoiler here so I can get it right into the exact place when I take it back off. So now what I need to do is remove the protective tape covering the 3M adhesive, to strip all that off, and then I can start placing this right back into the same position using my sticker as a guide. You do want to be careful as you're placing this down to make sure that the top lip of the spoiler is right against the deck lid of the car. So once that's lined up, you then just apply pressure. The adhesive is activated by pressure, so you want to hold for at least 30 seconds across the entire spoiler, pressing down to make sure that it lined up, that adhesive is activated. Then we can remove our guide sticker and continue adding pressure, making sure everything is in place. Now the fit of this spoiler turned out really good. It fits perfectly around the edge of this trunk lid. Looks great. The carbon fiber weave looks great. So very easy, very straightforward process to install this. Now I'm going to do the exact same step-by-step process to install the spoiler on the back of the Model 3. So as you can tell, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to install this on your car. It looks great on both cars, whether the Model 3 or the Model Y. It looks great. I think it's a great accessory. This is something that comes on like the performance version, like the Model Y performance version comes with a spoiler, so it kind of gives it that more performance looking look to it. The carbon fiber weave looks awesome. There's a glossy version as well you can get. I think the matte looks really good on this, and it looks good with all colors. This is the gray color, but it does look really good on both cars. So guys, big shout out to EVBase for partnering with us on this video here. See their link down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.